Tired of messy cabinets under your sink? Meet the Reel-In Organizer. With a smart L-shaped design, it maximizes vertical space without a fuss. Perfect fit around plumbing and garbage disposal, no more awkward gaps. Tall bottles? No problem. The bottom tier has space for them all. Sliding drawers glide smoothly, giving you instant access to stored items. No tools needed. Installation is as easy as 1, 2, 2, 3 with suction cups and tape. Sturdy steel construction holds up to 50 lbs, perfect for heavy storage. Rust-resistant with a sleek baking paint finish? Built to last. The grid design keeps water away and prevents your items from falling. Versatile. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room for ultimate organization. Assembled dimensions: 14.2 x 10.6 x 11 inches. Fits most sinks perfectly. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organized bliss with Reel-In. Find the product link in the description.